guys, this is Hazel. This is Hazel. Hey Hazel. This is Hazel. It's Hazel, mate. Yes, it's Hazel. Oh, this is Hazel. You've been sitting out in the rain, haven't you, Hazel? Oh, this is Hazel. Here's Hazel. Look at that, Hazel. Hey. My rabbit Hazel. Yeah, it's my rabbit Hazel, ain't Hazel? Look, Hazel. Hey, Hazel. This is Hazel. He sits out in the rain, I don't know why. Yeah, hey Hazel. Yeah. She's that camera. You're on camera. You're gonna be a star, Hazel. Look. Hazel, my alien rabbit. He's my alien rabbit, aren't you, Hazel? Is he? Yeah. He's baby. He's still a baby. Yeah. He's my alien rabbit. Bigwig is outside. He's my alien rabbit, aren't you, Hazel, mate? Yeah. Love him. I love him. I remember that one that sits out in the rain. Yeah. Hey, Hazel. You sitting out in the rain? Look at that. Look. See? Close up shot. Ooh, look at him. You're a bit uncomfortable there, aren't you, Hazel? I don't know why he sits out in the rain, guys. I think I bought him some mint rabbit pellets. He likes them. Trouble is I've got no transport because I can't drive. So I got to buy, get somebody to get them for me. And I've got, see, rabbits are fussy. Yeah. Yeah, birds are out. I had to sleep in. It's raining here. Yeah. Raining, I think it's raining tomorrow too. So I can't clean my bird cages out. But this is Hazel. And Bigwig, one day I'll bring him in. But Bigwig is a bit, you know, but, yeah. But hey, I thought it was home for Hazel. When he sits out in the rain. I don't know why he sits out in the rain. Why do you sit out in the rain, Hazel? You got a wet head. Bought a lovely hutch and he sits out in the rain. See? It's Hazel. It's Hazel. He's my alien rabbit. Say hello. He's a floppy rabbit. Aren't you? Floppy rabbit, aren't you, Hazel? Yeah. I'll wait for the dairy to go get some sugar. Anyway, thank you for all the lovely subscribers, new subscribers that watching my channel. I did a dance one. I had to delete that because it was copyrighted, and I don't want. I've only got one copyright strike on one of my videos, and it was another dance one. So, and I'm not dancing to YouTube music because YouTube music's horrible. Yeah, so thank you for subscribing. But this is Hazel. I'm looking after Hazel. Thank you. Fussy, like, they eat grass, but, and lettuce, apples, carrots, but you don't want to overfeed rabbits. Not good to overfeed rabbits. So, and Hazel's not overfed, are you, Hazel? You're just stupid sitting down in the rain. You are. You're a rain rabbit. You're a rain rabbit, Hazel. You don't want to sit in the rain. Okay. Subscribe. See that notification bell. Pull it all and full. Watch all my videos all the way through. That'd be much appreciated. That would. Lot. And I'm a New Zealander. I'm not an alien. I just do things for fun. I'm a Christian and I love animals like Hazel. I had a cat named Butter. He passed away this year. I had to put him down. I'm missing lots. I've got a best friend, Kathy. She's in Brisbane at the moment and nice warm. Yep. She got me to sleep out. She made me this, built a shed into a sleep out for me. So, and I'm saving. So, anyway. But this is Hazel. So say hello to Hazel. Ain't you, Hazel? Hazel, rabbits don't make noise much. I've never heard of Hazel is a Watership Down name, and Big Wig is a Watership Down name, and I advise you to watch that movie because it's awesome. Okay, I have to put Hazel down now. Okay, catch you guys later, eh? I love you, and I'm a Christian, but I won't not that. Okay.